Communications category: the town of Mount Pleasant. Mount Pleasant is one of the fastest growing cities in America. To make sure all residents, both newcomers and long-term, have a voice in the town's future, local leaders knew they had to find ways to engage people and hear their diverse perspectives. Town leaders started looking at how they could get out of City Hall to meet residents in their neighborhoods. They asked members of the public, through surveys and other input, how they wanted to engage with town leaders. People clearly wanted a voice in how the town is run, and town leaders listened.
And they came up with programs that got them out into the community to meet with different groups of people in different geographic areas at different times of the day. So they're reaching out, and the community is realizing that they care and they want to hear from them. And just the fact that you're being heard makes a difference.
This community input led officials to create the Government Outreach Office dedicated to civic engagement.
The Government Outreach Office came to be because we understood that there was a need for government to get in the community. So we batted around a couple of ideas. We even talked about having an RV. But we really wanted to get into the neighborhoods and the coffee shops, into people's lives.
The Government Outreach Office developed 4 innovative but low-cost programs to get people involved. First is Coffee with the Mayor.
So we have a Coffee with the Mayor, and I do that once a month at a different restaurant, and those are open to anyone who wants to attend. There's no agenda, there's no list of questions, so citizens come and talk about whatever they want to talk about.
Second, the town administrator holds mobile office hours at different locations in the community. Third is roundtable meetings with community organizations, civic groups, and neighborhood associations.
We've had the community roundtable with the town of Mount Pleasant. That was in February, and we discussed some major issues that were going on in the community, and had very good feedback from the town about outcomes and things that can be implemented to satisfy what was going on in our community at the time. So it's a win-win opportunity.
Fourth is the town administrator's monthly e-brief. The electronic newsletter is filled with important information about local issues and city services.
Oh, we get such great feedback on our community outreach. I've met a lot of great people who come to every Coffee with the Mayor. They don't miss one. And it's not for the donuts or the muffins, but I think they truly enjoy having the ear of an elected official. We have made government very open and transparent, and I always joke, I say if you don't have the mayor's cell phone number, you're out of the loop. But it's really being that connected. And it's not just me, it's our council and our staff. So we are open and accessible for the people who live here. We want to listen to their solutions.
In Mount Pleasant, officials have found their targeted efforts are making a difference in their relationships with the public.